This is a This is a t. This is a s. And this is a ah. I spy with my little eyes something that starts with s. Which one sounds like it's good? You may take it. You may take it. I spy with my little eyes something that sounds like t. Which one sounds like t? You can do it. Awesome work. I spy with my little eyes. Oh no, something that sounds like Nice work. And I spy with my little eyes something that sounds like ah. Nice work. Carter, what is this? Square. Square. Truck. Say t. Truck. Motorcycle.
Motorcycle.
Ah. Apple.
Apple.
Okay, I'm just going to take them up. And I want you to hold them. I'm going to put them all over here. Okay? Can you find the motorcycle? What letter goes with the motorcycle?
Not this. This.
Yeah, but where's the letter that goes with it? Can you find the letter that goes with it?
Not this.
Not that.
Not this. Not this.
What is that?
For is it for motorcycle?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Can you put it with the motorcycle? Good job. Can you find the truck? And where's the letter that goes with the truck? Good job. Can you put it with the truck? Awesome. How about the square? And where's the letter that goes with the square? I think that says ah. What letter do you think goes with the square? Nice work. Can you put them together on the mat, please? Okay. And put the square with it. Nice work. Now, can you find that apple? And what letter goes with apple?
We eat the apple.
Yeah. Can you find the letter that goes with apple? Good job. What letter is that? Nice work. Can you put them on the mat?
Why won't it stand up?
Because I think you twisted it. Here, I'm gonna fix it. Okay, there you go.
Is it enough now?
Nice work.